So first things first, we're going to be building this as a AdWords campaign for what our company is, which is white label pay-per-click services. So we're going to be trying to find ad groups and keywords for that type of campaign. Let's say, just pretend for now we're building it from scratch even though we already have one. So our main term, see white label PPC, we're going to start there. You can see here it's going to give you volume trends, monthly searches, and you have some bid stuff here. Take that with a grain of salt. So basically our first ad group is going to be for white label PPC keywords. Okay, so we're going to name this ad group white label PPC. And here we go, it's a great one right here. I'll paste that in our group. This other one. Okay, so this white label AdWords, that's actually going to be another ad group. Remember, you want to keep your ad groups tightly themed. So any keyword with the words white label AdWords in it, plus whatever modifier is what we're going to drop in here. Let's keep going. This is a good one. And don't discount keywords that only have 10 searches, because those add up if you have enough of them, and they're really targeted. And most people will think they're a waste of time because only 10 searches, but you guys were smarter than that, so you know better.